All right, we're seeing some movement in HIMS and HERS today. $36.15. So in the past month, just in the past month alone, it dropped down all the way to $24. You're up pretty much 50% already. Currently with a market cap of $7.8 billion. So it does look like HIMS and HERS is experiencing a little short squeeze right now. If we take a look at FinBiz, they have over 30% in shares that are being shorted. I believe the correct number is 33%. That's the number going around on Twitter, but they have a lot of shorts happening. And as the stock price keeps moving up, shorts are going to have to keep covering. Great movement in the stock today. On no news, by the way. There hasn't been any news. There's actually some insider selling happening, but basically the stock from the past month has had no news, and they are up 50% alone. And take a look at all of these downgrades from the analysts, all from April 2024. If you would have listened to them, you would have missed out on this great stock. Currently going for $36 today alone, 7% up today alone. Let's just quickly look at some numbers real quick. Remember, this is from the Q3 earnings transcript. Earnings season is coming up soon, so we're going to have an update. Yeah, so the most recent total revenue, 77% year over year. So from this revenue alone, I don't think the GLP-1 weight loss category is even included in some of this revenue. So past 2 quarters, 51%, 77% growth year over year respectively. And if we take a look at earnings per share, the past 3 quarters have been growing over 200%. The latest quarter in Q3 2024, they posted 35 cents versus negative 0.04. That is up 975% year over year. That's huge. This is a major growth company, currently only going for 7.8 billion. And remember, guys, the healthcare market is huge. That is still a small company compared to their overall market. So this is a statistic I found on Twitter. US healthcare market is up to 4.3 trillion. 4.3 trillion, and this is only a $7.8 billion company. I feel like this is going to be a 10xer even from these levels. So if you're thinking of getting this stock at around $36, just remember you pretty much sacrificed your margin of safety. I would have been buying around the 20s. I feel like a good number to get in is around the 20s, low 20s, mid 20s. That gives you a good margin of safety. But as of right now, I feel like there's a lot of animal spirits happening. Again, there's a little short squeeze happening. So we're seeing some movement. But this is the all-time high for this stock. You are going to be buying at the peak if you're buying it at $36. Which gives you no margin of safety. And also, guys, remember for high growth companies, tech companies, you always want to look at cash flows. They have huge improvements in the cash flows. If you take a look at free cash flow per share, Q2 2024, they posted 22 cents versus 0.05. That is up 340% and 311% year over year, respectively. Huge improvements everywhere, even in their net income. Take a look at net income. Q3 2024, they posted 75.6 million versus they're posting negative. That is up over 1,000% in an improvement in their net income year over year, and the stock price is reflecting it. So taking a look at some of the qualitative stuff real quick, some KPIs to keep watch. Subscriber growth is growing. They're up to 1.4 million in subscribers. That is up 56% year over year. I believe in total they have 2 million subscribers. For the HERS category, they surpassed over 400,000 in subscribers. This company has a long runway to go. What makes it great is because they have great network effects. They're providing a lot of value for their consumers. Take a look at their runway alone. For men's health, they're going to get into testosterone, prostate, women's menopause, digestion. They just have a lot of verticals that they could get into that's going to help the revenue grow even quicker. And the good thing about HIMS and HERS is they offer some of these drugs at below the copay cost. So a lot of people don't like going to the doctor either and having to deal with all the insurance and all that. So this company makes it a little bit easier. And so take a look at the flywheel that they're producing themselves. Basically, HIMS and HERS first creates a trusted brand. They do have their own AI that helps with the personalization of their products. They gather all that data from their AI, which generates insights, gives them more data to innovate more products and services, and offer more personalized solutions to each individual. From there, they get more data, creating deeper partnerships and expertise. With the success of the products, build more consumer trust. Basically creates this flywheel for HIMS and HERS. But yeah, great momentum on this stock right now. Keep an eye on this. Stock is still moving up. Looks like it's about to hit 37. They have a strong cash position with no debt. Huge growth in the revenues, huge growth in their cash flows. So the momentum is just getting started for this company. Take a look at my previous videos that I posted about HIMS and HERS. Again, about to hit $37, about to be an $8 billion company. This is still tiny compared to what it could become. This is what HIMS and HERS is experiencing right now. Great squeeze, great squeeze. Anyways, see you guys on the next one.